Quick challenge for you. Find something around you which is made up of wood in just 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Found it? The word wood is called a material noun. A material noun is the name of a material or substance from which things are made. ज्या पदार्थांपासून वस्तू तयार होतात त्या पदार्थांच्या नावाला मटेरियल नाउन असे म्हणतात. Everything around us is made up of some materials. Words like wood, silver, glass, copper, silk are material nouns. Examples: My uncle is a chef, so he uses strong steel utensils every day. माझे काका आचारी आहेत, त्यामुळे ते दररोज मजबूत स्टीलची भांडी वापरतात. The window is made of glass. खिडकी काचेची बनलेली आहे. My mother wore a beautiful silk sari at her wedding. माझ्या आईने तिच्या लग्नात सुंदर रेशमी साडी परिधान केली. My grandmother stores drinking water in a large copper pot because she believes it is good for health. माझी आजी पिण्याचे पाणी मोठ्या तांब्याच्या भांड्यात साठवते कारण तिच्या मते ते आरोग्यासाठी चांगले असते. Identify the material noun. The artist made a beautiful pot from clay. Write down your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.